In an era yearning for sustainable building solutions, hempcrete emerges as a revolutionary material in modern house construction. Comprised of hemp shiv, lime, and water, this biocomposite offers impressive thermal insulation and carbon sequestration capabilities, making it eco-friendly and efficient. Beyond its environmental benefits, hempcrete is non-toxic and resistant to mold and pests, elevating indoor air quality for healthier living environments. Its flexibility in design allows architects to embrace innovative structures, blending cutting-edge aesthetics with sustainability. As the construction industry embraces greener practices, hempcrete stands at the forefront, symbolizing an intersection between ecological responsibility and modern living.